Warrior W-1 Cement Strengthener. #1 cement additive in Singapore for more than 30 years and more than 1.5 million kilograms sold annually. High concentration polymer to increase the bonding strength, hardness, and water resistance of cement mortar. 1 drum of Warrior W-1 is equivalent to 3 drums of Brand X, so it is less storage and transportation needed. It also helps saving 500,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide annually. W-1 is a multi-purpose cement strengthener. It can be a paint and waterproofing primer. It also can be poured into building cracks to stop water leakage. It can be mixed with cement for waterproofing work. W-1 Cement Strengthener can also be mixed with cement for tiling. The way to use it is simple. Just add W-1 with 2 times of water and then mix into cement or sand mixture until it becomes a thick paste. Warrior W-1 Cement Strengthener.